Hello, hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. In this series of WordPress 101, I'm showing you all the basics of WordPress. Everything you need to know to get started building your first website. I'm Chris Jones, and in this video, I'm showing you how to download themes to your WordPress website. Themes are a great way to improve the overall look of your website, the way it's laid out, and of course, some of them come with improved functionalities for your website, whether you're a photographer, own a store, own an online store, run a pet business, anything that you could think of, there's themes out there to help your website not only look better, but function better for your users. There's a couple ways to upload themes to your WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how to do each one of them. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like if you find this video helpful, and let's get started. All right, so here we are at the back end of our website. In order to install themes, what we're going to do is come over here to Appearance. We're going to click on Appearance, and we're going to click on Themes. And you'll see here I currently have one theme installed, and that is the 2020 theme. It is currently active. There always has to be at least one theme installed on your website, and it has to be active. Okay, so to install a new theme, the most common way is to come over here and click Add New. And when we do, you'll see that we have here the WordPress theme directory, and these are different themes, a few themes that are here on the WordPress directory, okay? The other thing you could do is search themes. You could check out some of the most popular, latest, and favorites and stuff like that. What you would do is you'd find a theme here that fits your likings, and you could press Install. Before installing, you can do a live preview. So when you click on live preview, it's going to go to a preview of your website with that theme installed. You'll see that it has the styles, and it has our sidebars set up, and it has the image here according to the theme, okay? So we're going to go ahead and close this and back out of here. And it takes us back to our theme page. And you can see how the theme looks the way it does there, okay? So now that our theme is installed, we can go here to back to our themes over here, and you'll see now that we have two themes installed on our website. Currently 2020 is the active theme, and if we wanted to activate this theme, we could come over here and press activate, and it's currently the active theme on our website. If we come over here to view our website, you'll see our website is updated with the theme here. So that's probably the most common way to upload a theme, okay? When you do install themes, sometimes they ask you to install extra plugins that are required in order for you to use your theme, and that's what that was. Okay, and so in order to delete this theme, you first have to have another theme active. Okay, you must always have an active theme. And once you have this theme now active, you could come in here and click on this, and you could come down here and delete. So let's go ahead and delete this theme, and it is gone from our website. Now, I rarely recommend having just one theme installed on your website. I'm going to show you how to install other themes, and I would recommend always having at least one WordPress core theme installed, something like 2020, 2021, something created by WordPress, okay? Just as a backup in case your theme fails. So let's go ahead and show you another way. Another way is to click here into Add New. And sometimes you buy themes from marketplaces online or from websites. For instance, I use the Divi theme in all my websites these days. So if I go to upload theme, I could install a zip file. So you could either choose file, or you could open a folder. Now it's going to ask you for a zip file. Okay, and let's take our Divi theme and install it. We'll just drag and drop that bad boy in there and click install. And you'll see it will unpackage the zip file, install the theme, and it's good to go. So we could give it a live preview before we use it once again, just to make sure everything looks okay to get started. And here's our Divi theme installed on our website. Let's go ahead and back out of here. And if we want to activate it, once again, we come over here to activate the theme, and now it is active, okay? So and once again, when you install themes, sometimes they'll give you little notifications up here on either installing the license for the theme, installing plugins that are required with the theme, and so on and so forth, okay? So now we could come over here and once again, like I said, delete this theme. But I highly recommend, so this is a theme I bought online or bought through a marketplace. I highly recommend always having a WordPress theme as a backup, okay? So you never want to have just one theme installed. Okay, so that is 2 ways to install a WordPress theme. And your final way to install a WordPress theme is through the FTP client, such as FileZilla. And I'm here in my FileZilla. I'm connected to my website. And let's just back up one page here. And so anyways, so if you log into FTP into your website, your WordPress website usually lives in the public HTML folder. Your themes and your plugins will live in the WP content. And you'll see we have a themes folder right here. So you can see the 2 themes that we have installed, the Divi and the 2020. And so I could come over here to my themes folder and just drag and drop a theme right into there. And you'll see here that these are folders and not zip files. Okay, so if you want to upload a theme this way, you need to undo the zip yourself, just like this Divi one is, okay? And you just take the folder and drag and drop it right into here. Okay, so our files are done uploading. We could come back to our website and refresh this themes page. And you'll see our new theme is uploaded. It is not active. Again, we could go check out a live preview and see that the theme has been uploaded. And so we could close this, go back to our website. Now we have our themes installed. Now, what I really recommend you do is create a child theme for your theme. So here's a Divi theme, here's a Genesis theme, and here's a 2020 theme. Now, I would never go and just start customizing my Divi theme. I will create a child theme that takes on all the functionality of this theme and makes a new theme called the child theme, where I would go and make all my edits. Okay, same thing with this theme. If I were to use this theme, I would go and create a child theme and make all my customizations and edits to that theme. There's a reason behind that, and I will post a link to a video that shows you how to create child themes. And basically what it's for is that if I were to go and update this theme or deactivate this theme, or this theme gets broken, well, my entire website will be broken. And so what I would do is create a child theme for this and make all my edits there. So that way, when I go and update my Divi theme, nothing gets changed on my child theme. Might sound confusing, but check out the video so you can learn more about it. And there you go. That's how you upload themes to your WordPress website. And there you have it. Now you know how to upload themes to your WordPress website. Whether you get your theme from the back end of your WordPress website by going to the theme directory, buying your theme online from an online store, or if you have the theme already downloaded to your computer, you know how to get it up to your WordPress website. And now that you know how to do that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can catch the rest of my videos on WordPress 101. Like the video if you found it helpful, share it with someone that you might think will find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Aloha.